And you can at least see the questions because there's a test to take today.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go into, well, before that, let me talk about what we're gonna do tomorrow. All right, so today we're going to take the test and then we're going to work on any makeup work. Tomorrow you'll have a bell ringer. I really would like somebody to attempt to do this plasma games and play it. I've tried it twice. I'm trying to figure out and work with the people who developed it to figure out why it's not saving our levels. So it'd be nice if somebody else would try it and see what went on. But mainly for Friday is work on completing your makeup work. So submitting the bell ringer and some of your makeup work is how you get counted present for tomorrow. So we're going to go to Kahoot, and we're going to play this Kahoot. So you guys will go to Kahoot.it.
Oh, you press the number one battery thing?
No, you're going to go to Kahoot.it. Don't go there. That's a link if you want to do it on your own to review. It's set up a little different as a challenge.
64835.
3-3. Oh crap, hold on, I didn't do something. Something's not going to work. I don't do this. Guys, you got to give me a minute. I might get another thing up. Hold on. I need to go to, let's do it over. I've got to,
That's the wrong one.
I want to let me get into settings. Yeah, I'm gonna redo it. Hold on. I need to change something in settings. Oh. Oh. All right. Now, sorry, use this game here when it comes up.
Do the same one.
No, it'll be a different one. If I hadn't done that, you would have had the same color for every answer. So a different game pin. 214-0246. That you can.
Yeah.
All right, Drew.
You going to?
Yeah, I don't know if they're going. Alexis is in the car, so she may not. Ariana, are you able to join? All right.
Probably not. Shoot, somebody typed in the chat.
Or that might be left over from the other class. Yeah, left over from the other class. All right. Well, we'll start with you two. All right, a combination of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. All right, mixture. Let me cut the first one off. Usually that helps. There we go. All right. Not chemically as mixture. Superheated gas where electrons have been removed. You find it at the sun. Plasma. Definite shape and volume. Particles are tightly packed and they vibrate.
Oh, Lord.
Which one is it? Looks like this. Solid. Mass per unit of volume of a substance. Density. Resistance of a fluid.
What's 39
flow.
questions?
Yeah. They'll go quick. But you know it's quick. It's like honey. All right, viscosity. A procedure by which two liquids with different boiling points can be separate. We haven't talked about this. It is distillation. It won't be on the test. There's another one that'll come up too. Amount of energy needed to change a material from a liquid to gas.
No.
So heat of vaporization going to a gas. Ability of a substance to be hammered or beaten into thin sheets. We didn't talk about this either. It's not flammability, combustibility, ductility is drawing into a wire, malleability. Mixture that forms when one substance dissolves into another is called a homogeneous mixture. What's another name for a homogeneous mixture? Solution. Temperature when a liquid changes to a gas. Liquid changes to a gas. Boiling point. Smallest particle of an element in the basic unit of matter.
No.
All right, atom. We're getting ready to have our new unit will be all about atoms and elements. Tendency of a substance to undergo a chemical reaction. Which one of these terms means able to do a reaction?
So.
All right,
No, I said 3
reactivity.
people now.
Ariana joined. Amount of energy needed to change a material from a solid to a liquid. Solid to liquid. Fusion, heat of fusion. The action of bringing a liquid to the temperature at which the liquid changes to a gas. How would we describe this pot of water here? It would be all right, boiling. Temperature when a solid becomes a liquid. Solid becomes a liquid. Melting point. Mixture that is not uniform in composition. Not the same. Heterogeneous.
The whole one got that right? No.
Heterogeneous when you see all the different pieces. A mixture where one substance of very small particles is suspended throughout another substance. It doesn't let light pass through. It's a colloid.
Okay. No, not put the wrong one.
Material's ability to burn in the presence of oxygen. Ability to burn in the presence of oxygen. Flammability. Energy an object has because of its motion. What do we call the type of energy of motion? Kinetic energy.
Awesome.
Mixture that is uniform in composition throughout, like the coffee in this cup. It's the same throughout.
Yo.
Homogeneous.
That you?
No. Just ignore it. Substances that are made of only one type of atom or only one type of molecule. Pure substance, you'll probably just see it as substance on your test. Occurs when matter changes from a liquid to a gas due to an increase of heat energy. Liquid to a gas. All right, you may see it as vaporization, but evaporation and vaporization are pretty much one and the same. Solid formed from a liquid solution. It has a special name, that solid. It's the precipitate. A substance made up of atoms of two or more different elements joined by chemical bonds. Carbon dioxide is this example. Compound. Change in a substance that does not change its identity, like breaking a pencil. Doesn't change it into a new substance. Physical.
Wrong again, Bob.
Jacob. Characteristic of matter that you can observe or measure without changing the identity. All right, physical property. Type of heterogeneous mixture in which the solid particle, it should be, can settle out.
Think so.
Can settle out, it's suspension. I have a typo here. State of matter has definite volume but no definite shape. Flows. Which one flows?
Yeah. It's what, Oh, what?
It was a liquid. It changed from a liquid state to a solid state due to heat energy decreasing. Liquid to solid.
Oh, it's another answer. Answer.
All right, freezing.
I'm looking.
Change in matter that produces, it should be one or more new substances. It
I'm sorry,
creates a new substance.
I forgot that you changed your answer around there.
Chemical change. A substance that is dissolved to form a solution. What is the white part? What do we call this? Sugar.
Solvent.
Solute.
I got that right.
I really thought it was solvent.
Solid's usually the liquid. Ability to transfer heat. We didn't talk about this, but to transfer heat by touching. Do you know which one it is?
Conductivity.
Conductivity.
Tell me right now, that's what I answered.
Change from a gas to a liquid. From a gas to a liquid. Forms this on the outside of your cold water bottle. All right, condensation. Pure substance made of only one kind of atom.
Solution.
Oh, It's not saying.
Characteristic of matter that can be observed. One type of matter changes to a new type of matter.
Triangle.
New type.
Triangle.
The substance that causes the solute to dissolve to form a solution. What are you putting the solute in?
Solution.
Well, it's forming the solution. Solvent.
Okay.
The process of separating a suspended solid matter from a liquid. What is this whole process called here? Picture gives it away.
Distillation.
Filtration.
I'm not really like that right.
Change from solid to liquid. It should be DUE, to heat energy increasing.
Freezing.
Solid to liquid.
Triangle.
Solid to liquid.
I already had that question.
Yeah, it may be in there more than once. Have no definite volume and no fixed shape. Particles move faster than the solids.
What's my Oh.
All right.
Okay. No. Pop. Next 10 questions.
All right. In the Quizlet, you may want to look through these right here. You may see these questions down here in these charts. So if you want to take a moment to go through the Quizlet that is listed under yesterday, you may want to do that. If you don't, you want to go ahead and attempt the test. It's right here. And its matter is the code, all lowercase. Once you've completed the test, you will then work on any missing work. So you ladies are welcome to get off and work on your test, or you can stay on in case you have a question.